They say creativity takes courage. I had to teach myself how to not be afraid. Countless hours of shooting. It taught me to keep going, even when things got slow. But something my grandpa taught me was to always try, even when you're not the best at something. My name is Andy, and in this video, I'll be going over everything you need to know about the Canon EOS R. This video was sponsored by Canon USA. We're going to start off with a quick little unboxing. LPE6N battery, charger, a couple more accessories. She's a full frame RF mirrorless system. There she goes. She's equipped with a 30.3 megapixel full frame CMOS sensor. This kit comes with a lens too. This is the RF-24105 F4 lens with image stabilization. It has a SD memory card slot on the right side. For most of these shots in this video, I paired it with the RF-24105. It has 8 different shooting modes you could choose from, and up to 8 frames per second of continuous shooting. You can shoot 4K 30 in 24 frames. You can also shoot 1080 at 60 frames. It all depends on the look you're going for. You can also shoot 120 FPS as well. Definitely one of my favorite features of this camera. You can shoot C-Log at 8-bit internally or 10-bit externally. The flippy screen is good for those hard to reach shots, and it's touchscreen, so you could tap to focus. Remember how I was talking about courage in the beginning of the video? Well, that kind of goes out the window at this point. Sometimes you just gotta go out and make mistakes. You gotta try new things so that you can learn along the way. I love trying different lenses, different perspectives. In this case, this is the RF-7200. And the last feature I want to show you guys, which is probably one of my favorites, is the built-in Timelapse Mode. The interface is super simple, and just like that, you're ready to go. If you made it to the end of this video, the point of it was to introduce you to a couple new features that you probably weren't aware of. And remember, I had to teach myself to not be afraid. And I believe that you could do the same thing too. It's not going to be easy, but clock in your hours, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what you guys create.